free or not. 1/3 of Americans unwilling to COVID-19 vaccine. An approved COVID-19 vaccine is the potential solution in effectively curbing down cases worldwide. But in the US, a significant portion of the American population will not be getting one if available today. That portion will not be convinced even if the vaccine is free. This is what the latest Gallup poll revealed. From the July 20 to August 2 survey, a random sample of 7,632 adults aged 18 and older expressed their interest in a COVID-19 vaccine. Although many would like to receive a vaccine, about 35% of participants said no, free or not. The results refer to the willingness of respondents to be vaccinated. Between genders, 65% of men and women would be willing to be immunized, but 35% of men and women were unwilling. In terms of political party, 81% of Democrats, 47% of Republicans, and 59% of independents would want to be vaccinated. While 19% Democrats, 53% of Republicans, and 41% of independents would prefer not to. By race, 67% of white Americans and 59% of non-white Americans preferred getting the vaccine, and 33% of white Americans and 41% of non-white Americans said the opposite. Across all ages, many expressed willingness to immunization. About 76% of adults 18 to 29 years, 64% of 30 to 49 years, 59% of 50 to 64 years, and 70% of 65 years and older were willing. But 24% of adults 18 to 29 years, 36% of 30 to 49 years, 41% of 50 to 64 years, and 30% of 65 years and older were not. By community setting, the willingness was generally greater than unwillingness. Approximately 56% in rural areas, 68% in small towns, 69% in suburbs of large cities, and 65% in large cities wanted to be immunized against COVID-19. Results indicated a possible change in vaccine perception. More adults were willing due to health risks and economic effects of COVID-19. Many possibly understood that without an effective medication, community transmission would not stop. Though people living in rural areas were less eager to be immunized compared to urban dwellers. This could be linked to long-standing problems in healthcare in those areas, as the US CDC hinted. The less eagerness could raise their risk of contracting the disease. Still, roughly 7 out of 10 Americans would want an FDA-approved vaccine. The remaining ratio might represent the hesitant and resistant to the idea of immunization.